Hey everyone, welcome back to Fluent English Academy. I hope you're having a great day.
Hi, guys. We're really happy you're here with us today. Seriously, it means a lot.
Yes, whether you're listening from your home, sitting on your bed,
Or maybe you're in your car, driving to work.
or even walking outside in the park, getting some fresh air.
Wherever you are, thank you for choosing to learn with us.
By the way, if you're new here, I'm John.
And I'm Mary.
And here, we just talk about English in a simple, real way. No stress, no difficult words.
Yes, we just talk like normal people. That's it.
Mary, can I ask you something a little personal?
Uh-oh, that sounds dangerous. But okay, go ahead.
Can you swim?
Oh, yes, I can swim. But I learned very late.
Really?
Yes, when I was a child, I couldn't swim at all. I was actually scared of water. But now I can swim, and I can even swim in deep water. But I can't swim for a long time. I get tired very fast.
Wow. Okay, wait a second.
What?
You just used can so many times.
I did?
Yes. You said, I can swim, I couldn't swim, I can swim in deep water, I can't swim for a long time.
Oh, wow. I didn't even think about that.
Exactly. You weren't thinking about grammar.
No, I was just telling a story.
And that's the interesting part. We use the word can so naturally in daily life.
That's true. I didn't plan it. It just came out.
And that's exactly what we're talking about today.
Today's topic is how to use can in real-life conversations.
Because many English learners feel confused about this small word.
Yes, some people say, I can to swim.
Or she cans drive.
Or sometimes people hear can and can't, and they feel completely confused.
Don't worry. Today, we're going to make it very clear, very simple.
And very practical.
So by the end of this episode, you'll feel more confident saying what you can do, what you can't do, and how to use this word naturally.
So relax.
Listen carefully.
And let's start. Okay, wait. You just asked me, can you drive? That's not ability only, right?
Good catch. Yes, it is about ability, but it's also something else.
What do you mean?
Sometimes we use can to ask for something.
Oh, like, can you help me?
Exactly.
Or can you open the window?
Yes, that's not asking about your ability. I mean, I know you can open a window. I'm asking you to do it.
True. If someone says, can you pass the salt, they're not checking my muscles.
Exactly. They're making a request.
And there's something else interesting. When I was a student, I always said, please, can you repeat?
That's perfect. That's very natural.
But one time I said, can you repeat me?
Ah, small mistake.
Yes, it should be, can you repeat that? Or can you repeat the question?
Exactly. Small change, big difference. Now, let's change the situation. Imagine you're at your friend's house. You're thirsty. What do you say?
Can I have some water?
Perfect.
That's permission, right?
Yes, you're asking if it's okay.
Like when we were kids, can I go outside?
And the teacher says,
I don't know. Can you?
classic teacher joke.
So yes, we use can to ask for permission too.
And sometimes we don't even ask, we give permission.
Oh, right. Like, you can sit here.
You can use my phone.
You can take my pen.
That feels friendly.
Yes, it feels open, relaxed.
Now let's look at something different. Sometimes can is not about ability or permission.
What else is left?
Possibility.
Ah.
For example, it can rain tomorrow.
That doesn't mean it has the ability to rain.
Exactly. It means it's possible.
Or this road can be dangerous at night.
Yes, it's a warning.
Oh, or learning English can change your life.
That's a hopeful one.
I like that one.
And one more very beautiful use.
There's more?
Yes, when we offer help.
Oh, like I can help you.
Yes,
I can carry that for you.
I can drive you home.
That feels kind.
It feels supportive.
It feels like you care.
So look at this one small word.
Can.
We use it to talk about what we can do,
To ask for help.
to give permission,
To talk about what's possible.
and to offer support.
All with one tiny word.
Now I want you to think for a second. Today, did you use can at least once?
Maybe you said, I can't find my keys.
Or can you call me later?
Or I can help you.
You see, it's everywhere.
Okay, I think now it's time to test our listeners a little.
Yes, but don't worry, this is a friendly test.
Very friendly. No stress.
All right, listen carefully. I'm going to say a sentence. If it's correct, just smile. If it's wrong, fix it. Ready? She can to drive.
Something feels wrong.
Yes. What's the problem?
No to. It should be, she can drive.
Good. Simple. Next one. He cans cook.
Oh, no, not cans.
Why?
Because can never changes. It's always can. So, he can cook.
Exactly.
Okay, my turn. Listen carefully. Can you two help me?
Again with to.
Yes, we don't need it.
Correct sentence. Can you help me? Now let's make it personal. Everyone listening, answer in your mind. Can you cook?
Can you swim?
Can you speak English?
If your answer is a little, that's okay.
If your answer is not very well, that's okay too.
Because remember something important. Instead of saying, I can't speak English, you can say,
I can't speak English yet.
that small word, yet, changes everything.
Yes, it gives hope.
And look how powerful this word is.
You can ask for help.
You can offer help.
You can talk about your skills.
You can talk about your limits.
You can talk about possibilities.
All with one small word.
Before we finish, I want you to say one sentence out loud. Ready?
Say, I can improve my English.
Again, I can improve my English.
And this one is very important. I can do this.
Listen, maybe your English is not perfect,
Ours isn't perfect either.
but you don't need perfect English.
You just need confidence.
And step by step,
You can grow.
you can learn.
You can become fluent.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us.
If you enjoyed this episode, tell us in the comments, what is one thing you can do very well?
We'd love to read it.
And remember,
You can speak English.
yes, you can.
We believe in you.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye.